Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make and enjoy your own shawarma at home. So I have a chicken breast. Is it the boneless? Is this chicken chest which I just cut out? I deboned it, or I cut out from the flesh part of it and slice into small length like this. So we're using this for our shawarma. And I've got here chicken seasoning, which I'll just sprinkle in it. That's onions. This is onions, garlic, and ginger powder. And there's some curry powder. I'm not adding salt to that, I'll just marinate this with it. I'll cover it and keep it in the fridge to marinate for at least 1 hour. So the chicken has been marinating now for the past 3 hours. So I will add little oil into my frying pan and pan fry it. After frying it on one side for some minutes, I will flip it around, and I will continue to do this until the chicken is well cooked or well fried. Be sure not to eat raw chicken. It will not be good or healthy. And also, if you already have a fried chicken, or you want to use cooked chicken, or you have grilled chicken or beef, or you can use any of that. You can also use your already fried chicken. You don't have to start afresh like this. I'm doing this because I want to do it from the scratch so that you can do it yourself in case. Am I talking too much? When we are done preparing the proteins we are using for the shawarma, we will now move over to the vegetables. Here I'll be using cabbage and the carrots. You can also add other vegetables of your choice. You can add cucumber, you can add a lettuce to it. But we're using just this cabbage and the carrot. So I'll go ahead now. I've already washed them. I'll go ahead and slice or cut them or grate them. It's ready, so let's make our shawarma. First, I will make our shawarma sauce using some ketchup, some mayonnaise, some chili pepper, about a teaspoon of that. You can use black pepper and lemon juice. I'll mix it together thoroughly. Please, I did not measure the ingredients. I boiled it according to the number or quantity of shawarma I'm making. It is time to put everything together and make our shawarma. Yay! Are you salivating already? Now that everything is ready, let's wrap our shawarma. Here I have my shawarma bread which I bought from a supermarket. I will spread some of the shawarma sauce on it, the creamy shawarma sauce on it. Then add in some of the chicken salad. Yes, I'll call that chicken salad because I mix the chicken inside it. Sometimes too, you can just mix the vegetables and keep the chicken separate, but I decided to mix everything here together to make it simple and easier. So I just scoop in the shawarma salad there, add the sausage. You can use one or two or as many as you want, but I'm using one sausage for each wrap so that it will go around. I'm not fold it from both sides and wrap it tight so that the juice or the shawarma sauce will not slip off. But that will always happen when you're eating it. You can also double the shawarma bread if you want. Add the sauce on it, spread the sauce on it, I mean. Then add your vegetables, the sausage, and whatever you want to add, and wrap. Have our shawarmas well wrapped, but before eating or devouring it, you do this one more last step. I'll take it to my stove and warm it. You can use your frying pan or grill pan. Warm it because you want it to be warm and crunchy. So just in a low heat, warm it a bit, flip it over, and then you're ready to eat it. You can also wrap this in your with your foil paper, or you eat it straight away. If you're selling it, you know that you need to wrap it with a foil paper. And here we have our shawarma, so juicy and delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Please, if you do this, just let us know how yours turned out. I enjoyed making this for you, and I hope you have given the video a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.